Hello everyone guys, so today is the 12th of August and today we are in Linz. So we had a good sleep and now we decided to go for a walk. How we understood, Linz is not big city, maybe small, big town or small city, something like this. So, and we decided to go to the downtown to see some beautiful places. I hope they will be here. And also we need to buy some cleaning detergents for our bicycle, and that's all. So now let's go. We decided to have a meal at McDonald's, and as usual, Vlad eating. And I cannot. And I cannot afford myself to eat McDonald's because I'm on my own diet, and you remember also one of my main goals is to lose extra 5 or 6 kilos to make my dream come true. So have a good meal, Vlad.
Thank you.
Okay, we returned home. Unfortunately, we have had no time to show you the whole city, so I hope you enjoyed this small video. And now we we started to preparing for tomorrow, because tomorrow in early morning we are going from Linz to Salzburg, and it will be it will be 220 or 215 kilometers again. So have a good day or night. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe, and also I will put links for donations below the video, and have a good day. Bye.